Today we're going to do a unboxing video of the Gyrocopter Vortex electric scooter. We ordered this thing from Amazon. It comes well packaged so that there's no scratch or no defect with it. The handlebars come packaged underneath the frame in the center here. And in this box you're gonna find the tools with the instruction, your pegs, your tracker, your key, your kickstand, and your charger. So I recommend that you install your kickstand first. The kickstand actually get mounted on the back bracket, the center bracket here, that's for your pegs. Now we're going to install the steering wheel, or the handlebar I mean. So you just have to undo those 4 bolts here. You have to inflate those tires to 40 psi. So this is what it looks like when it's fully assembled. You have the disc brake for front and rear. So both of those handles actually control the brakes. There is your battery status, crank throttle here. Your key goes on this side. You have a headlamp and a reflector at front. A mud flap on there, or mud guard I guess. And then you have your brake light at the back. And the instruction, it says that the motor is 350 watt, but online it says it's 450. So we'll have to see. It also says in the French instruction that it goes 25 kilometers max, but the English instruction is saying 32 kilometers max. But anyway, that's enough of this because somebody is anxious to go and drive this. So let's go and test it. Turn on the light. Let's see if it works. Oh, nice. How about your brake light? Yeah, it works. Does it tell you your battery status here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
this
underneath
plastic
the sticker. Oh yeah, it looks way better with the sticker on it.
Okay, last but not least.
You even have a little bell there, eh? Let's hear that thing. Oh, we're ready to go. Okay, try it.
Oh, this
Ooh,
is so
nice. Yeah, I don't even hear anything. This battery is 36 volt, 5.2 amp, and it has a brushless motor. Because of the 16-inch wheels and the 3-inch tires, 3-inch wide tires, this thing can also go in the grass, no problem. At the end of the day, a Gyrocopter Vortex is working pretty good. Good first impression.